To me, that means taking the long view, really looking out over the course of the next half century and trying to imagine what are the transformative things that the world will experience that will put the world in a position where the average lifestyle is fundamentally different from our own experience today. And I think we can see over the course of the last century, that's certainly, been the case with the innovations that have propelled us forward into our current environment, and computing being a big aspect of all the impacts that have transformed the world into the way we work today. And I think if you look at the inventing the future and the building blocks we have to work with that invent the future for the world, computing and its application to materials, I think, will be how things reassemble over the course of the next half century. And clearly, applying computational platforms toward the discovery of new biologies that will help cure currently incurable diseases, particularly the next frontier in diseases of the brain, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Huntington's, but also continuing to go after diseases like cancer and inflammation. And as the world becomes reinvented, my vision for how you're leveraging computing and even now in this day and age, quantum and its application through computing to how we discover new medicines and how we improve the health of patients worldwide, I think you're going to find that it's going to become more personalized. So inventing the future is a lot more individualized. I think the one size fits all for any product, those days I think will begin to fade to the background. And you're going to see the transformational innovation happen where more and more of these inventions will go toward the self, toward the individual. My last end note on that then would be inventing the future means using the building blocks of today. And I think most innovation always happens, and I think will happen again in this next half century, in the nexus between different disciplines. In this case, computing and its power combined with materials, synthetic biology, mRNA, CRISPR technologies, all of these things. And of course, my world tends to revolve around biology and medicine, but all of these, that convergence of computing and materials has applications in climate change, in energy, in all of these other things that I think will set the stage for what a future world looks like 50 to 100 years out.